Evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Okay. So how was the test, everyone? Yesterday's test?
Mom, I attempted how much ever I know.
You attempted the test?
Yes, ma'am, I tried most of them.
Okay, great. So what was your score?
Ma'am, I did not check. Let me just check and tell you.
It's okay, check it later. You got all the questions now?
Ma'am, I was not able to solve or mark all the questions, but I marked some of them.
Answer. Okay. Okay, and what about the homework? Yesterday's numericals? I mean, last class numericals? Okay, so my screen is shared now. Okay, so
Ma'am, my score is 20, ma'am.
20, 20.
Yes, ma'am.
20 out of 40. Oh,
Ma'am, I answered only 5 questions, 6 questions, and one of them was wrong. I couldn't understand why it was wrong.
Acha, okay. You attempted only 6.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Acha, okay. Okay, we will discuss the test also. But let me. Acha, first tell me. All of you did these numericals or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was not able to attend the test, ma'am.
Why?
I was outside and I had I was not well, ma'am. I had pain and I was
Acha,
not
it's
in the
okay
home
too.
once.
Okay, now you are.
Because I had a practice of my school game competition.
Acha. Okay. It's okay. Now you are feeling good now. So you can do it anytime in this week. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The-
Yesterday only I felt very much pain. And yesterday I was out also.
It's okay. You just take out the test and just do it whenever you are having time. It's for your practicing. Okay.
Yes.
So just don't leave your test. Just attempt the test and just see how many questions you are able to do, in which question you are which is confusing for you and you are finding any difficulty to solve it, you are not getting the concept. Okay, so just do it any time of the week.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, tell me, so is there any doubt in any question? So we can discuss that question. And
This one, ma'am, this worksheet.
I sent now this worksheet.
Yes,
I
ma'am. The
sent, I
rest
think.
of the questions were not hard, ma'am.
Acha, okay. So
Ma'am,
everything
can you
is clear.
explain 9th question?
9th one? Okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Can you explain 9th? You said you would explain it last.
7th also. 7th one.
7th.
Yeah, ma'am, 7th also.
Okay.
7th and
Acha, पहले 7th का. 2 blocks of masses. Acha, ये पुली one. Okay. Yeah.
So I think the question's incomplete. It's possible to solve it with more information. There's nothing hard about it.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, tension formula and force formula are the same, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, tension is basically the force only.
See, in this question, what is see, one is mass M1, say it is 6 kg. Okay, so in question number 7, mass M1, that is 6 kg. And mass M2, that is 4 kg. Because M1 is heavier, so it will move down. If you are just hang two mass, one is 6 and one is 4. So because 6 kg is a heavier block, so it will move down, and 4 kg it's a lighter one, so it will move up. Okay. Now the acceleration due to gravity, we all know that is G. That is 9.8 meter per second square. Now in this question, what we supposed to find out? We're supposed to find out acceleration A and tension T. So two things we have to find out, A and T. Clear?
But you're saying it's a pulley, so where's the string?
See, in this question, we just imagine that the weight of the string is 0. I mean, it's weightless. So we will not consider the weight of the string. Okay. Maybe this line is missing. That's why this question is looking incomplete. But in these type of questions, like this is a concept you will see in 11th grade. Pulley, tension, these type of things. But छोटा सा question है तो हम कर सकते हैं, इतना कोई वो भी नहीं है. So we will apply second law of motion. So second law of motion is for G1 because it will move downwards. So M1G.
Second law of motion.
Ma'am,
Yes, Charantej?
momentum.
We
Yes.
momentum formula. Okay.
Momentum for. Momentum नहीं, speed नहीं है ना इसमें. पर
Ma'am?
वही है कि
Yes, ma'am. Second law of motion is momentum formula.
So it's M1G minus T. It will equal to M1A.
I think this question is like there are two blocks and like one 6 kg and one 4 kg and they're tied together. Like in between there's a string. And then they're pulling it with a certain force which they've probably given. And we're supposed to find tension on the string and what acceleration it will move with. Is it like that or the pulley thing you said?
No, this is the pulley thing only. This is the pulley thing. So if we add these two equations, so it will like.
Understand.
Resolve 2. Resolve. Now we have to put the values. Put the values. M1 is 6, M2 is 4, G is 9.8. And A we have to find out. So it would be 6 minus 4 into 9.8 into 10. 2 divided by 10. So it would be all A.
Ma'am, what is tension?
Tension, so we have to find out. First we find out A.
Ma'am, not like that, ma'am. What is the meaning of tension?
Meaning of tension.
Tension means basically
Tension.
force only.
Tension means, yes, force.
I didn't take
Ma'am,
this.
it's
9
9.5,
90.
9.8 by 5. We'll just leave it like that.
Yes. Something to 5.
Ma'am, A is equal to 1.96 meters per second square, ma'am.
1.96. So this is the value of A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now for the tension. So tension, you just keep the values in equation 2 or in equation 1. in any one. Now you have everything. You are having A, you are having G, you are having M.
Ma'am, tension is just mass into acceleration, right?
Mass into acceleration, yes. You can do that also.
It will be 10 into 1.96.
1.98.
Yes, ma'am.
That way.
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
like
19.6 Newton.
we have to add both the masses, ma'am. 6 kg and 4
Yes.
kg. Okay, ma'am.
But in this question, I didn't get where the string is. If it's a pulley, then where the string come from?
See, if we are hanging the mass, the string to always be, but always a string will be there. This question also look. And we are just considering the weightless. The string is weightless.
Answer is
I'll just do the
19.6.
calculation up to easy.
19.6.
Okay, so any other question in which you are finding?
Ma'am, ninth
I think
one, ma'am.
rest. Okay, ninth one. This a block of 10 pages per starting. Section is from the Newton. So in ninth question, what values are given? We are having mass, this 10 kg. G, we already know, 9.8 meter per second square. And we are having, what was the angle?
Ma'am, 30.
Ma'am, what is Q? What did you write there?
Theta, sine
Okay,
theta.
scroll
Okay,
up. I
ma'am.
want to see the 13th question.
एक second. And section.
Ma'am, this is like vector, right, ma'am? Vector addition.
Yes. Okay. अब इसमें
Ma'am,
हमें
can you
क्या
scroll
निकालना
up?
है? Scroll up.
Yeah, I want to see the 13th question.
13th question.
Yeah.
9, 10, 11, 12. This is the 13th. So simple है. Train
Is
and
it
physics
meter?
speed, 36
Kilometer per hour. Okay, done. 14th. Okay, we can scroll back.
1 minute, ma'am.
This question, I think we have to find out the work. Sorry, weight. Weight is harder than we will find out total force.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, apparent weight means?
The weight which is in downward direction towards the gravity.
Okay. Ma'am, then can you explain 12th question also?
See, in this question, first we have to find the weight. So weight would be
Can you
mg.
move up for 1 second?
Huh.
15th one I want to see.
Exactly. So weight in with the incline would be mg sine theta. So all the values we are having
Ma'am,
is 10.
sine theta how will find, ma'am?
Sine theta is given na 30 degree. Sine 30 I think half hota hai na 1 by
Yes, ma'am. 1 by root 2, ma'am.
1 by root 2. 1 by 2.
1 minute, ma'am. Let me see.
One second. 1 by 2 I think. Sine theta.
Can you show the ninth one question again?
Ma'am, it's 1 by 2 only, ma'am.
1 by 2 na half.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
it would be
Ma'am,
5.
can you scroll up? I want to see the ninth one.
Just a second. Just a second. Just multiply 5 into 9.8. 49 Newton. So weight would be 49 Newton. And next thing it is asking the opposing force. So opposing
Ma'am,
force
this is
will
the
be,
formula of weight.
this is the formula of weight in an inclined plane. If your plane is inclined in that
Okay, ma'am.
case. Otherwise, so it's simply mg. Okay. So total force would be 49 plus the frictional force. Frictional force, I think 20 ka. So it would be 49 plus 20.
69.
Total
Ma'am,
force
doesn't friction
equals-
act in the opposite direction, so it will be minus.
Ha, ma'am. It would be opposite, right, ma'am? It would be
Friction
29
act against 49
So
minus 20.
this is the total opposing force we are calculating. No? We are calculating the opposing force only.
Opposing. Oh, yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Because including weight. Yeah.
Yes.
69, ma'am.
69.
Okay, scroll up, please.
So frictional force is 29, like 20 newtons. So we are like totally calculating the opposing motion now.
Opposing, yes.
Okay.
That's why we are adding.
Ma'am, weight is known as the opposing force.
Huh?
Ma'am, weight is opposing force.
No, frictional force is the opposing force. We are calculating the total opposing force. That's why we are adding friction.
So weight is also opposing force, right?
No, it depends in which direction weight is applying. If it is in opposite direction, then it is opposite force. If it is in the same direction, then it is not the opposing force. It depends.
How do we
But
know in which side it is going?
it is mentioned in the question only. You have to read the question for this.
Okay,
Can you
ma'am.
scroll up? I want to see the 9th and the 15th question.
Ma'am, in yesterday's test, what is the second one answer?
Which question?
Second question.
Second.
Yes, ma'am, I lost my mark there.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. In yesterday's test, ma'am. Yesterday's exam.
Acha, test question.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha,
HCl
okay.
and Cl2 are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am. O2 and O are the same, as well as Cl and Cl2, ma'am. So both of them are options for the answer, but there's no multiple
Ma'am, that
choice.
second question.
Second, I need
Ma'am, that
to.
second question, actually, I think there was a small error in the question. It was not instead of
Second,
like.
I need to check
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
question paper first. Just give me a second. Remember the question. Atom and molecules, Thana test.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the second question? It was following pair represent the same element as field.
Yeah,
What
so
was
O,
O and
I
O2
wrote
first?
D because I thought there was a small error in the question and it was not represent the same element. That's why I put D and you marked that wrong.
Which of the following pairs represent the same element? So same element it would be C, no? Cl and Cl2 only.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
D में तो it's hydrogen and water. So different हो गया. Okay. B में it's O and ozone.
But it's still the same element. It's still oxygen only, right? Even if it multiple atoms combine to form another one, it's still technically oxygen. And the first one is O and O2, again same thing. So I think it should have been not represents the same elements. That's why I put D and you mark that wrong.
Oops.
Same mark.
What was the question? Which of the following pairs not represent or represent?
Question was
Represent.
represents, but the first three options all are the same element. So I thought there was a small error in the question, and it meant to say not the same. That's a D, and you mark that wrong. So what's the answer?
Even I did the same.
8. First is O and O2. So O is a oxygen atom, O2 is a molecule, same element, okay. And O and O3. Okay.
I'm asking you, like, tell me how many marks I got. Actually, like, I'm not
I
able
mean,
to open that.
I'm sure according to the question, whatever is given there, the first three, all three.
all three of made up of same element.
Ma'am, so you'll give marks for the fourth option.
So it's saying which of the following pair represent the same element. After in that case, the answer should be D only. Because only hydrogen and water, they are not made up of same element. Rest are made up of same element.
I'm actually
I got
like,
32, I should get 36.
actually, like, I'm not able to see any marks.
You are not able to see your marks.
It's not like it's glitching, it's not opening.
You send me your answer sheet, I will let you know what about them. Acha, let's discuss all the questions. First question was, which of the following correctly represent the law of conservation of mass? What was your answer, everyone?
Mass before and
B.
after
Yes. B. Yes. Mass before and after reaction is same. Yes. Okay. Next one is, acha, next one to D. Hydrogen and water. Okay. Everyone, if you are take D answer, then it is correct. So please add 4 marks. Okay.
But like how the question was wrong, right, ma'am? I put
Six.
O.
No, I think
Yes,
no,
ma'am. Technically,
problem is which of the
actually the
following
question itself
that's why I'm
be
saying
correct.
now which of the following pair not represent the same element. It should be like this.
Ma'am, but what you kept in the question, I answered that way, right, ma'am? So then why will I lose marks?
one of the first
Acha,
three options.
okay.
Actually, everyone should get a mark for it.
Everyone
Yeah,
at
ma'am.
4 marks. Okay. I will make it correct there also. The chemical formula for ammonium carbonate. I think ये तो सबका ही ठीक होगा. What is the formula
Yes,
of ammonium carbonate?
NH2, NH whole, NH4 whole 2, and then
CO3. Yes.
CO3.
Yes. In a compound, the element are
NH4 whole.
present. In a compound, element are present in fixed ratio or not fixed ratio?
Fixed ratio, ma'am.
Ma'am, fixed
ratio by mass.
Fixed ratio by mass, yes. The Dalton's atomic theory failed to explain
Existence of
isotopes and
Existence of
Yes.
isotopes and isobars.
Okay, which of the following is a polyatomic ion?
OH.
Yes, OH minus.
minus. I got that one.
Valency भी सबका ही ठीक होगा और
Genuine mistake.
3.
Yes.
3.
Which of the following is a correct representation of a
H2O.
molecule of
H2O.
No, molecule of an element, so it will be BO. Oxygen.
molecule? Oxygen.
Yes, ma'am. Oxygen.
oxygen.
Yes. And which law is verified
And
by the
law of
following?
conservation of mass.
Yes.
Conservation of mass.
Chemical formula of aluminum sulfate. तो easy का test.
Al2SO4 इंटीग्रल.
So test तो easy था इसके. Let me check everyone's marks.
Ma'am, I messed up that polyatomic ion. I put C. O O2
प्रियम
minus.
बता.
Yes, ma'am. I like forgot polyatomic ion.
Mom, what is the
That's the
meaning of
only one I messed up.
polyatomic ion?
Polyatomic means which is made up of many atoms.
And it's
Like
an ion. I thought it meant an
Hansini
atom
got
with like more than one atom. That was a really stupid.
Hansini, Charantej, you got full marks 40. Kirtana also got 40 marks. Rudra 36, so now Rudra is also 40. Shri 36, she is 40. Sahiti 36, Varshisht 36. So all of you had 4 marks. Priyanka 32. Pardon?
So I got 36.
Actually, one
Same
question.
for me, ma'am. I also got only one question wrong.
No, here it is showing 32. Which one is wrong then?
Ma'am, the first that 4 marks question that you told us to add, right, ma'am? That one I got correct only, and then I got wrong the compound. Like, what is the elements present in a ratio? I wrote fixed
Acha, okay,
ratio
okay.
by volume, ma'am, instead
Okay.
of by mass.
Okay. And
Yeah.
Gagana, Acha, Gagana
so
didn't attempt the full question
sixth grade.
paper. So. Okay, good. Very good. So I believe chapter is clear now, atom and molecules. Abhi to
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
have one more subjective test also of the same chapter. Yes.
Ma'am, maybe like the atom and molecule, the difference one is like the structure is there, right, ma'am? Those will come for like essay 1 mark midterms.
Midterm, atom and molecule.
Yes, ma'am. The structure of atomic molecules.
I mean, you are saying me or you are asking me?
I'm asking, ma'am. Like you told that we don't
How?
get it right, ma'am.
No, how would I know, bacha? This is told by your school to you. I mean, how many chapters will be there and everything.
Ma'am, like you told that we don't get the structured one for our exams.
Acha, wo ionic structure and those things.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
is not a part of ours in CBSE board. This is a part of grade 10. Okay. In grade 10, we will have in detail like ionic structure, covalent bond, ionic bond. But see, all these things started the 6th grade. Okay, thoda bahut basic we should know. Okay, but as per the syllabus, it's not there. Okay, but if your classmate, if your ma'am, if your teacher is doing the things, if your teacher is explaining the things, all these things like, so just discuss with your teacher only. Okay, but as per syllabus, it is not in the, as per CBSE board, it is not in the 9th grade, it is in 10th grade. Okay. But these structure are there like the electronic orbital diagram. Suppose Mg. So how many electrons, how many valence shell will be there? This is there.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
But ionic bonding, covalent bonding, abhi nahi hai. This is the part of 10th. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you explain 12th question?
Sure.
What is the meaning of apparent weight?
So apparent weight में problem है. See, apparent weight होता है normal weight, which is normal force acting on the person. Means apparent weight is the weight जो आप weighing machine में जो weight करते हो ना, the weight which is showing by your weighing machine, that is the apparent weight.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the thing is, lift is accelerating downwards. So while the, yesterday also we were discussing the same question, no? I think. See, in this case, lift is going downwards. So if lift is going downward now,
Retardation.
we will So we will feel lighter in that case. If lift is accelerating downward, in that case, the person will feel lighter. So the normal apparent weight decrease because उस टाइम पे जब लिफ्ट नीचे जा रहा है तो सम ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज यूज्ड टू एक्सेलरेट द पर्सन downward. So gravitational force will also act on this. So that's why it would be m, apparent weight would be m g minus a. If lift is going downward. Okay, so a is given, m is given, g you know. Just put the values and find the answer. And इसका अगर opposite होगा, if body is accelerating upward direction, in that case, g plus a. Apparent weight would be m g plus a.
The answer minus 120.
120? 120 plus 60 or 9.8 minus 2.
Okay.
120 को नहीं सकता.
It's 60 into 60 into 7.8.
Ma'am, 476.
Whatever the is, that is the 470 कितना? 6. 476?
Newton.
476 ना? हाँ जो भी है मतलब multiply कर लो एक बार.
Yes, ma'am, 476 only.
हाँ तो whatever it is, this is the.
Ma'am, it's coming 4 something, ma'am. It's not coming 476 though.
Exactly.
Ma'am, it's coming 468, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, even I got 468.
468.
Yes, ma'am, 468.
468. 476. Okay, so this is the apparent weight. So if there is any question related to lift, so just keep in mind if lift is going downward. So in that case, if we are going downward, so in that case, we will feel lighter. So apparent weight decrease. Why it is decreasing? Because gravitational force also just pulling us towards in downward direction. Okay, so in that case, apparent weight will decrease. So it would be mg होता है ना, so m हो जाएगा g minus a. And if it is going upward, so g plus a.
G plus.
G plus हो जाएगा. So in this question, तो specifically downward ही है. So this is the answer. Rest the question, I think, sub easy.
Yes, ma'am. The rest of the questions were pretty easy only.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, let me know how many of you like done all the questions.
Ma'am, I did till like 18, ma'am.
Okay. Charantej, what about you?
Like did up to 14.
Okay. Priyamvada?
Ma'am, I'm doing 15.
Okay. Gagana?
Ma'am, 13, ma'am.
Hansini?
15.
ऐसे random या actual?
Real.
Okay.
Actually, I'm doing 15. Ma'am, can you scroll up? I want to see the values 1 second.
Medansh? Medansh is there? Kirtana?
Ma'am, 13, ma'am.
13.
I'm doing 13, ma'am.
Okay, and very good. You got full marks in test. Well done.
Thank you.
Lasya, what about you?
Ma'am, yesterday I didn't solve any questions, ma'am.
Acha, okay. But do all the
Ma'am.
questions, okay? Whenever
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
whenever you are
12 to 1,
free.
could you explain, ma'am, 1 second?
Which one?
12. 12.
12.
I didn't understand.
Okay. Saiti?
Ma'am, I'm doing the 13th question.
Okay. Varshisht?
17th.
And Rudra? Rudra, I think, did all the questions?
No, ma'am. I'm starting 16%.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. Which question?
Ma'am. In
Yes.
15th question, we have to like apply the first equation, right? No,
Scooter
no,
moving
like
with
the third
uh,
equation.
X velocity, acceleration, time. Final velocity निकालना
No,
u
like
a t है, so v is equal to u plus at लगा दो, simple. थर्ड पे क्यों जाना, इतनी मेहनत
okay,
क्यों करनी,
okay, okay.
सिंपल करो.
12th one. I'm sorry, ma'am, my mouse went around. 12th question.
12th one अभी तो just I told you 12th one.
Yes, ma'am, I didn't understand, ma'am. The formula.
अच्छा, formula तो is mg, simple formula. The formula of force is mg, mass into gravitational force, mass into acceleration. Okay, formula तो simple, but यहाँ tricky part
Mass
क्या है? हाँ, formula तो is mg, okay, और ma.
like mass into gravitational force and
Yes.
acceleration both.
हाँ, but यहाँ tricky part क्या है? You are not standing on the ground, you are in the lift, okay, and that lift is coming down. Okay, if you are just standing on the ground, तो ये तो simple था, m that is 60 into 9.8. Simple था, but now you are in a lift and lift is coming down with this acceleration. Okay, so if we are coming down, the concept of lift is if we are coming down in the lift. So in that case, we do g minus a. We just subtract the value of acceleration from the gravitational force of the earth, g minus a. Okay, m तो same ही रहना है
because
person
it's
का,
coming down.
because it's
That's why
coming
it's
down.
gravitational
Yes,
force.
because see why we are just subtracting the value, because when we are coming down, so उस time पे gravitational force also like
Comes in contact.
used, and that gravitational force also accelerate the velocity of person in coming down.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so in that case normal जो reaction होता है, जो normal apparent weight होता है, it decreased. That's why. And just opposite when you are going up in a lift, we would add g plus a.
Mom,
Yes.
mg plus. Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, in question 18, so the velocity of car B after 4 seconds is 20 meter per second. Okay.
Could you scroll up, ma'am? I'll just see the question.
Ma'am, can you explain 18, ma'am?
Which one?
Question number 18.
Ma'am, just 2 minutes, ma'am. I'll try to solution
Sure.
of 12. Little up, could you do?
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. Little. Ma'am, how did we get 9.8, ma'am?
What?
9.8, ma'am, in the 12th question.
9.8 is the acceleration force of earth, no?
Like it is not given the question, we have to guess it and write.
It's 9.8 fixed.
That's the gravitational force. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, gravitational force, yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, 17th question, can you explain?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain the
Yes.
18th question?
So,
Once can
17 or
you
18?
I got
17 and
both the
18.
speeds.
17 or 18?
Ma'am, can you wait for 2 minutes? Like I want to try
Ma'am,
and solve it.
18, ma'am.
Once can you even explain 17?
Oh, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, never mind. You can please explain the 18th one.
Okay, so how it starts from this. So what values are given in this question?
We're
Which
given
question, ma'am?
the acceleration of
18.
car A and the time at which car B started and its velocity.
Okay. So initial velocity is given or final velocity is given?
Ma'am, car A's initial velocity is given but not final velocity. Then for car B, initial velocity is given and the time it started is has given.
So car A starts from rest. Car B start 4
Ma'am,
seconds
can you explain 17
later.
question also?
It's car B start 4 seconds later.
So we can calculate acceleration of car B also.
It's car B start 4 seconds later from the same point.
Ma'am, how could we calculate acceleration of car B?
Okay. See,
V is given and T is given. So acceleration equals V minus U by T. U is 0. So V by T, which is 20 by 4, equal to 5 meter per second square.
suppose B start at time T. Okay. So A will start at time T plus 4.
Wait, what you're
No.
taking is T, the time at which it starts.
Yes, time at which it start. Because B start 4
T
seconds
plus
later.
4. Okay.
Okay. So now
So basically, B will have more acceleration because it will catch up. So it'll have to accelerate more to catch up, right?
yes. So B का velocity देते हैं. And when the car will
No,
catch.
I did it like this. Like I took the time taken for both of them to catch up. Like B to catch up as basically at the point how much after how much time both of them will be at the same point as X. And then acceleration 1 will be 2 meter per second square and acceleration 2 will be 5 meter per second square. But it didn't work.
Ma'am, I guess like in this chapter we don't have this other formulas, right, ma'am?
Which
Few of the
formula?
formula. Ma'am, like in these questions, in some cases we have to apply different formulas, ma'am. So you are not
These
there
are the
right now.
mixed question. No, these are the mixed question. Which different? These are the mixed question from both the chapter. Motion
Like
and the force and laws of motion.
okay, ma'am. Like I just
See,
before
because
we
in
did like
exam.
gravitational and acceleration.
These are the mixed question. That's fine.
Mixed to mean like from the two chapters it is mixed.
Yes, 2 chapters. Yes. These are the questions from
Okay.
two chapters. Both the chapters there.
Like I didn't did the gravitational force or the tension one. Please. Okay.
But let me know, are these things are clear or not? But how many of you are like all these numericals are clear? And how many of you like want to do more numericals? Okay, for
can we do like more like they're clear, but like in some
we
questions,
can.
like one or
For
two
me,
of them we're getting stuck. So practice
me,
will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
better.
It's like clear, ma'am, but the value showing and the formula.
Ma'am,
keeping
it's
it
clear,
separate.
but like in the 18th question, I got stuck. But other people also got stuck.
So you want to do more numericals?
Yeah,
Yes,
to stop that from
ma'am.
happening, we've got to practice.
It's okay. A numerical don't need practice. See how
Ma'am,
many
it's like
questions you
I
will
am
do.
getting everything. But the
Last year
formula.
last year first, so you do the questions, okay? Because until you are not doing the
Sorry,
questions, it's
ma'am.
very difficult. First you attempt all these questions. Only then things will be clear where you are.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am understanding that where I'm lagging behind.
हाँ
Someone was calling you.
Ma'am, can you send the rest of the questions in the group again, ma'am? You only sent it like 20, so there's a couple more, right? Can you send again? Because I have my physics exam on Friday.
अच्छा हाँ sure.
And for
How
the
many
rest of
questions
us
I
who
sent?
don't have exams, also it will be good practice.
20, ma'am. 20 you said.
20. अच्छा okay. So 21 to last. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can we leave, ma'am?
Yes. Yes. Time is over. Okay. We will discuss this question tomorrow. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
guess
Thank you.
Sharon was calling you before.
Yes, Charan.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I was just saying I understood the numericals.
Acha. Okay. Okay. Good. It's okay. We will do some more questions tomorrow also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
There
can
is
you
one
explain
thing.
from 17th
One thing
question
which is
tomorrow?
left in chemistry also, atom and molecule, that is the mole concept. That too I need to discuss with you all. So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
idea of mole concept that is left. So we will do it after the numerical practice. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you explain from
Ma'am,
17th
then,
question tomorrow?
Sure, sure.
ma'am, then after completion of atom and molecules, can we do is matter around us pure like this questions, ma'am?
Matter. Sure.
Around us pure.
Okay.
Sure.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye.